Hey everyone, my name is Len and you are very welcome on my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing Clawdeen Wolf from the Monster Ball line. I just know that when I saw this first doll, I had the reaction only Monster High fans had when they first saw it. A Clawdeen in a suit. Finally. We've been waiting for that, I think since Sweet 1600 line. We did not get Clawdeen in a suit for such a long time, and she is finally here. I'm holding her in my hands. I cannot believe it. This part of the box is imitating a disco ball with some spider webs all around it. We have Monster High written here and Monster Ball written on the front part of the box. And behind we can see Clawdeen in full-length art and all the other ghouls included in this collection. Let's free her out of the box. I finally got Clawdeen out of box and let's do a review. Clawdeen's hair is curly just like in all the collections of 𝆪Find. It's mostly purplish brown color, but it also has some pink and purple strands, as well as some golden strands on the top of her head. Her hair is divided into 3 parts, the main part being let down, the second part being just kind of gathered in a small ponytail, and the top part of her hair is put in a 2-phase bun, and it's being held together by some kind of golden collar accessory. She is wearing different earrings. One of her earrings is a crescent moon in golden color, and her other ear is pierced with 2 purple round earrings. She has a black plastic bow on her neck, and she is wearing a suit, which is purple colored and it looks like silk. It has some imitating of buttons right here, which are actually crescent moons as well. Underneath her jacket, she is wearing a top, which is beige, and it has some golden leopard prints on it. Her pants are having a belt and some stripes, which are also leopard prints, but they are black with purple. She is wearing black sandals. They are all spiked and they have a mold of a crescent moon on them, and they also have some purple moons. Clawdeen's makeup is mostly purple, and just like Laguna, she is having a double colored lip going on. Now let's move on to the accessories that Clawdeen includes. So first off, she has this bunch of balloons. 2 of them are golden, it's a star and a crescent moon, and the other one is the well-known Monster High skull. They are all being held by some ropes which are intertwined, and they kinda imitate a spider web. She also has a round bag which has a gold print of a crescent moon on it, and the handle is spiked. Clawdeen also has a highlighter with a mirror, the form of a Monster High skull. She also has a stand with donuts, and if you look closely, you can notice that all the donuts represent phases of the moon. The whole stand is imitating a gravestone. We also get a separate plate with the donut. The plate is turquoise color, and the donut is similar to the ones we saw previously on the stand. Clawdeen also includes a postcard with Draculaura, Clawdeen, and Laguna on it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching it. Leave a like under this video, leave a comment, subscribe to see more videos like this. This was 𝆪Find, and bye bye!